can you tell me what is the date today?
14.
No. 15th. Okay, 15th. Yes. Not 14th, 15th. Today is 15th. I think another friend is joining us. Good morning, Sana. Sana, you are late.
We are in village.
We are in village.
You woke up late?
Village.
All right. Okay. Good morning, Sana.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We are not, ma'am. We are not able to collect the resources, ma'am. That's why we got only crackjack biscuit.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. You did not get polo?
Yeah, ma'am. We are just now. We are in village, ma'am. That's why we not
Oh,
get.
okay. No problem. Okay. All right. Now, who was telling me? Okay, Bushra was telling me which day is it today?
15.
15th. Okay. So if today is 15th, what was yesterday? Sana will tell me what was yesterday. Today is 15th. Yesterday will be
14.
14th.
14.
Very good. Yes. So yesterday, children was 14th of November. And I had sent you all a message and no one said thanks to me.
Sorry.
No one replied only. Did your parents show you all the message? No one said thanks to me. I had said happy Children's Day to all my champions.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. I forgive you all. Okay. All right. So 14th November, children, that is yesterday, was Children's Day. Okay, when was Children's Day? 14th of November. All right. Now, why is 14th November celebrated as Children's Day? Do you all know Jawaharlal Nehru? Have you all heard about Jawaharlal Nehru? Okay, let us see how he looks. So you'll tell me whether you'll have seen him or not. Okay, look on the screen. Okay, this is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, he was the first Prime Minister of India. What is Prime Minister? He was like the leader. He was like the leader of our country, India. And children, he loved kids. Okay, he was very fond of kids. Alright, he said that kids are the best thing in the world. What did he say? That kids are the best things in the world. Okay, so what they decided? That let us celebrate Children's Day on his birthday. Okay, so he was born. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November, children. So that's why, since he loved children, okay, we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. You know what children would call him? Chacha Nehru.
Yes.
Chacha Nehru.
Oh, Chacha Nehru.
Yes. Okay, so all children would lovingly call him as Chacha Nehru. Okay, and he loved children. Alright, and 14 November was his birthday. Correct, Sainath, can you tell me? Can you tell me when was Children's Day celebrated?
Number 14.
14th November. Okay, 14th November. Alright, now teacher Vrinka is going to share one video and going to explain to you all. Alright, everyone. Look on the screen. Okay, children. Now I will share you one video. Okay, let's watch it together.
Good morning, teacher. I heard just
Jalebi sweet, come play with us.
Good morning, Riyansh. Good morning,
some technical issue. That's why we are just trying to connect. So that is the reason.
Okay. Rehansh, just now I told all your friends that 14th November, that was yesterday, it was celebrated as Children's Day, correct? And Rehansh, I had sent you all a message. Why didn't you reply to me? Rehansh is yawning and trying to sleep. Rehansh, why didn't you reply to me? I had said Happy Children's Day to you.
She's saying आपने reply क्यों नहीं किया था?
ओके ना मम्मा बिजी रहते हैं.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, no problem. Okay, so 14 November, Rehansh, is celebrated as Children's Day. Okay, it is Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru is lovingly called as Chacha Nehru. Rehansh, and Jawaharlal Nehru loved all kids. Okay, so his birthday was celebrated as Children's Day. All right. Yes, teacher Vrinka is going to show you all one video now. Look on the screen. Sainath, please look on the screen. See the time, huh? What is it? 11.
Today is a special day for children. Let's find out why.
Good morning, children. Today, we begin rehearsals for a Children's Day show.
Wow! There is a special day for children, ma'am.
Yes. Does anyone know whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day?
Yes, children, tell me whose birthday is celebrated as a Children's Day? Yes?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good.
Chacha Nehru.
Very good. Okay.
I know. Chacha Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India.
Maddie always knows the answer.
The theme for the show is National Symbols. That means special things about India, like the national tree, national bird, national animal, flower, etc., etc. These are all our national symbols. Each of you will choose one national symbol to dress up as and tell me tomorrow.
So here teacher is giving them national symbol card, okay? And accordingly they have to dress up and come for the school. So tell me children, which is our national animal? Yes? Which is our national animal? Yes?
Tiger.
Very good.
Tiger.
Tiger, yes. And tell me, which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Yes.
Peacock.
Yes. And which is our national flower?
Rose.
Yes, lotus.
Lotus.
And which is
Lotus.
national river? Anyone knows which is our national river?
Ganga.
Loudly.
Ganga.
Yes, very nice. The Ganga, okay, is our national river. And last one, which is our national tree?
National tree.
National tree. Yes, the banyan tree.
Banana tree.
Yes, now let's see this video.
I picked the peacock. It is the prettiest. I'll be the most special Indian symbol.
Now, Maddie, would you like to be the presenter? You know the most about Chacha Nehru and can dress up like him.
Yes.
It is the day of the school play. All the parents are with.
Okay, now let's see how the children are going to present themselves. Yes.
Waiting excitedly for the play to begin.
Presenting the national symbols of India. First, the national tree, the banyan. Now, the national flower, the lotus. Presenting the national river, the Ganga. Presenting again the national river, the Ganga. Next is the national fruit.
Now tell me, which is our national fruit? Yes? Mango.
The mango. The national bird, the peacock.
National bird peacock.
Krish, peacock is the most special. Let me come to the center.
Bubble does not like standing in the corner. She wants to be at the center of the
Oops, sorry. And last but not the least, the national animal, the tiger.
Uh-oh. Where is the tiger?
And last, the tiger. Roar, roar, roar. I'm gonna eat this yummy mango up. Roar, 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 roar.
Now, what is Bubble Trouble up to? Still trying to take center stage.
I know. The lotus should be on the river.
Well, that was more fun than we expected. Children, can we get back in line now?
Looks like the kids enjoyed the national symbols a bit too much.
So this way they celebrated Children's Day in their school. Okay? Alright children, let us play some games now. Okay, everyone get your biscuit. Go ahead, sir. Everyone get your biscuit. Okay, take one biscuit in hand, only one. We require only one. Yes, not polo, only biscuit, crackjack biscuit. Riyanj, where is your biscuit? Remove one biscuit. Everyone take one biscuit in hand. Okay, so children, this is the biscuit face challenge. Okay, biscuit face challenge. Children, how do you all eat the biscuit? How do you all eat a biscuit? With your hand? No? With your hand you all take it like this and you all eat it, correct? But in this game you cannot use the hand. You cannot use the hand. I'll show you all one video. I will show you all one video. Look on the screen. Look on the screen, okay? I'm going to show you all one video. Look on the screen. See what you have to do. Don't do now. Only see. Only see. No touching, okay? No touching. You have to just move your eyes, move your forehead, move your face, and slowly, slowly bring the biscuit down. Look on the screen. Look on the screen. I think this boy is winning. See, he got it on his nose already. See ya, I think he's winning. Alright, did you see how they played? Okay, so I want everyone to keep the biscuit on the forehead. Keep the biscuit on the forehead. Come on, I want you all to try it, children. Slowly, slowly, okay? Keep it little down where the forehead moves. Okay, so you have to move your eyes, move your head a little and try to get it down. Slowly, try to balance it. Try to balance it. Come on, parents can help. Come on, come on, come on, children. Yeah. Come on, Rehan. Slowly, slowly. Try to do it. Move your head a little. Move your head a little. Very good. Sana, come on. Come on, try it again. Come on, very nice. Yes, Bushra.
Yes.
No touching hand. No touching hand. Very nice. Slowly, slowly. It will fall down.
Yes, Sainath.
Come on, Rehansh. Come on, Sainath.
Don't touch.
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Yes, Sana.
Very nice. Sana, come on. You got it on your nose. Come on.
Bushra, come on.
Okay, good job, Sana. Very nice, very nice. You can eat it. Okay, I allow you all to, you all can touch only 3 times. Okay, you all can touch only 3 times. Okay, if it is falling, you all can touch only 3 times. Come on. Come on, Rehansh.
Come on.
Yes, come on. Good job.
Yes, Rehan.
Good job. Come on, move it slowly. Come on, Sainath. Bushra, come on. Yes, Bushra. Good. Slowly try to get it down. Sainath already ate it. Rehan also ate. Good job.
Slowly, Bushra, slowly.
Yes, Bushra. Slowly you can put your finger and help.
Slow.
Put your finger. I'm giving you 3 chances. Very
Yes,
nice.
yes, come on.
Remove your tongue. Come on, slowly. Very nice. Good job, children. Very nice. Okay, you all eat it. Eat that biscuit, drink water. Then we'll continue with the second game, okay? Eat it properly. Yes, drink water. Everyone drink water and come. This was the biscuit face challenge. Okay, you all can play with your friends also. Take the straw, bend it into half and cut it. Take the straw, plastic straw. Okay, we needed plastic straw. I think Sainath, you have got a paper straw. We needed plastic straw. Fold it into half and cut it.
Teacher, we have two small straw also, so we can use this also.
Yes, you can.
Okay, teacher.
Cut it into two. Everyone, cut it into two. Yes, very good. Sainath, good job. Bushra, did you cut into two pieces? Okay, very good. Everyone just see if the polo goes inside the straw. Can you all check if the polo goes inside the straw? It's going, no, Sainath? Alright, Bushra, can you try? Reyansh, can you try? Okay. Alright, okay. Okay, now this game involves the parents also. This game involves the parents also. So I want the parents to come on the screen. Very nice. Okay, very good. Reyan's mother, I cannot see you. Reyan's mother. Alright, okay. So I'm going to tell you all how to play the game. Everyone look on the screen. Don't start until I tell you all. Don't start until I tell you all. I'm going to show you how to play the game with your parent. Who was me? Like, who was the child? Do you all know these two people on the screen? Do you all know them? Alright, let's see how to do it. Look on the screen. Okay, both of them hold the straw in the mouth. Okay, and okay, this, that is me. I am the mother. Okay, and teacher Vrinka is the child. Okay, so the mother should take the polo inside the straw and give it to the child's straw. Look on the screen. Okay, this is how it should be done. Put the polo in and join the straw and give it to the child. Clear? Okay, is it clear? Did you all understand? You all want to watch it again?
Understood, teacher.
Alright, very good. Join the straw and pass it to the child. Join the straw and pass it to the child. Wait, don't start. I'm going to start the timer. Don't start. Alright. So we are going to do one by one. We'll start with Bushra. Everyone look on the screen. Everyone, let's cheer Bushra and her partner. Yes, okay, you're ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on.
Come on.
No, come on. Put it again.
Yes, Bushra, come on.
Join the straw. Okay, slowly. Bushra, hold the straw tight. Bushra, you can hold the straw with your hand. If it is getting difficult, you can hold the straw with your hand. Bushra, hold the straw with your hand. and help Mama. Come on.
Yes.
Yay! Come on,
Come
one more,
on.
one more, one more, one more.
One more.
Come on, don't
Very
worry.
good.
Take care, take care. Take care. One more, come on. One more, one more. Hold the straw. Hold the straw. Let's see how many polos y'all can pass.
You can do this.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Good job. One more, one more. Hold the straw. Collect the polos. Come on. Very nice. As Bushra is doing, let's see how Reyansh does. Very nice, very nice. Good job, Reyansh. Come on.
Very good.
Y'all can continue. Bushra and Bushra's mom, y'all can continue. Yes, Reyansh and Reyansh's mother. All the best.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes,
Thank
come
you.
on, come on.
Yes.
You hold with your tight. Yeah. Just join it.
You can do this. You can do this.
Yes, you can do this. All right, very nice. Come on, come on. Come on, do it, do it, do it. No laughing, no laughing. No laughing. Reyansh, give some space. You can remove your hand. You can remove your hand. You can remove your hand, Reyansh. Remove your hand and hold it with your mouth. Yes, very nice. One more polo, one more polo. Come on, good job, good
Yes,
job.
yes, come on.
Very nice. Reyansh's mother, leave the hand, leave your hand. Don't make it so easy. Come on. Don't do it with your hand. Come on, good job. Wait, wait. Reyansh, you have to help your mama. Come on. No moving, no moving. Don't move. Don't move. Just one more. Come on.
Hold a straw.
Come on, try again. Try again. You can put both together. Come on. Come on, you can take it.
Teacher, actually, hole is smaller, so that's why some
Yes,
problem.
yes, I know. That's why I asked for a plastic straw.
But
All right,
we're
no
trying
problem.
to.
Okay, no problem. Sainath, come on. Sainath, we want to see you all doing. Come on.
Come on, Saina.
Come on, Sainath.
Can't see your mummy.
Yes, please change the camera angle. We cannot see.
Come on, Saina.
Yes, come on. I think the straw is a little too big for y'all.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, no problem. You can just put a finger. Okay, all right. Very nice. Good job. The main is the child should enjoy it. Very nice. One more.
One more.
Saini, are you there with us? Saini, are you there?
Come on.
Very nice. Sainath.
Yes.
Good job. Good job. Very good. Okay, this is passing the polo. All right. Did y'all enjoy the game? Oh, Bushra did so many.
Wow.
Yes, Anna.
I will go for
You want to do it with your mama? Do you have polo?
I am after with my mama.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. You can do it later and send us a video, okay? All right. Yes, very nice, Reyanj. How many polos are there? How many polos have you put inside?
How many?
Count.
काउंट करो बेटा कितने पोलोस थे इसमें इसमें बताओ कितने पोलोस है काउंट करो
1, 2, 3.
3. Very nice. Shall count your polos and tell me?
सीधा बोल
How many? How many? Can you count?
Count कर 1 2 3 कर
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7.
7.
Good job. Good job. Saini, are you there with us? Saini, are you there? Okay, children, keep all the polos at the side and let us do follow the leader dance. I want everyone to stand up and you have to follow the video. Okay, come on. Everyone stand up. Everyone stand up. Come on. Sana is excited. Yes, Rehan, you can stand up. You all can remove the table so that they get enough place. Please remove the table at the side, remove the chair, keep empty space for them. Okay, you'll have to look on the screen and follow the steps. Alright, I'm going to look at everyone, okay? See what he's doing. He's moving his hand and then he's clapping. Very good, Bushra. Very good, Reyanj. Good job, Sana. Very nice, Sainath. Come on. You'll have to scream, huh? Okay, you'll have to jump and wave, okay? Jump and wave. Did you all enjoy it? Do you all want to dance again? Do you all want to dance again? No. Riyansh is saying no. Who wants to dance again?
Yes.
Bushra wants to dance again. What about Sainath?
Sana is tired.
Sainath is also saying no. Sana is also saying no. Okay. So I'm going to put it again for Bushra. Alright? Bushra, all the best. I want to see you dancing. All right, Bushra. Okay. All right. Happy Children's Day to all of you all. All right. Did you all enjoy today?
Yes.
Yes, y'all can try. Y'all can try the games again at home. Okay. Yes. From tomorrow, our normal sessions will be starting. Okay, I want everyone to join on time. Correct? Please go through the books. Please go through the books so you'll remember. Coconut. You're told. Yes, Bushra, you want to ask something?
Yes, teacher, coconut you want to bring
Coconut?
coconut
No.
water.
Coconut water? No, that was long back. Not now, okay?
All right, and polo.
Maybe that was for Onam celebration, maybe. Not now, all right? Okay, anyways. So, our normal session starts from tomorrow. Okay, everyone should be joining on time. Just go through whatever is done, okay? Hindi, English, just go through so that you all can revise, okay? And get back to books. Okay? All right, children? Yes, Sana, you want to say something?
Teacher, you had sent it the message in the group.
I sent the message.
Yes.
Okay, just 1 minute. Let the teacher check. No. So what was written is plastic straw. Okay, in the brackets it is written which is used to drink water. Okay, it was just for your reference so that you all know that it is that plastic straw which you use to drink water. Okay, we didn't say to get water. We said to get
Okay,
water.
teacher.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Yes, Sana wants to say something. Let her say.
Teacher, I want to show my Mandy.
You want to show me your mehndi? Okay, wow. Can I see it? Wow, you can show everyone. Beta. Wow, beautiful.
Nice.
Very nice.
And
You have put it here also, only here. Oh, on your legs also. Very nice. So beautiful. Very nice. You like it? And for how long? Yes? Aisha Bua. Okay, very nice. Beautiful. Very nice. Sana, we loved your mehndi. All right. Okay, can we do roly-poly? Nail polish too. Very nice.
Wow.
I like the way you're speaking in English. Nail polish too. Very nice. Good job. Okay, can we do roly-poly, everyone? Roly-poly, roly-poly. Up. Roly-poly, down. Faster. Roly-poly, out. Roly-poly, in. Roly-poly, show one hand. Sign out. Roly-poly, show one more hand and say
Bye.
bye. Bye, children.
Bye.
Teacher,
Children,